Alright guys, as I mentioned, I'm going to put this Cobra bucket seat in my EP3. I already put the rails and the side brackets. I think I recorded a clip. If I did, I'll put it in this video. But it's pretty straightforward. You know, adjust your height on these levelers or different little holes. But yeah, let's throw this onto the EP3. Alright, when you're removing your stock seat, it does have side airbags in the EP3, so you're gonna want to disconnect your battery. And then there's four, I think 15 size bolts on each corner that you want to remove. So let me disconnect the battery first. Looks like they're actually size 14. To remove these little covers, and there'll be another two on the back side here. sure you can see this yellow cable you need to disconnect, which is for the airbag. So let me get this off and then remove the seat. Once you have it removed, it's always a good idea to vacuum. As you see, it's been raining over here and it's kind of messy. And you probably don't often take out your seat, so it's a good idea to vacuum. Don't forget to transfer over your seatbelt clip if you are using your stock seatbelt still. Just one more bolt here and then you just transfer it over and you should be able to put the other end of your harness as well on there. Okay, so I was able to transfer it over. Put the seatbelt clip and the harness here. I had to remove the spacer. It wasn't enough thread, so you might have to adjust or play around with the sizing of the spacers for your build. So let me throw this bad boy in there now and see how she looks. Okay, there she is, all mounted up. I had to play around with the leveling holes here, because the 4 bolts on the bottom wouldn't line up. But I finally got it in. So next would probably be the harnesses. But I'm gonna need help with that, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make a video out of it. So looks pretty good, feels pretty good. don't move anywhere. So I'm ready to take this bad boy back out to the track. Thanks for watching, and let's see what my next video will be. Thanks. Like and subscribe.